Welcome back to part 3 of the 86 Monte Carlo paint and body restoration. So in today's video, today's main focus is Today's main focus is getting the roof done, rust repairs, trunk jams, and getting the hood, the roof, the whole top portion of the car and primer. That's the goal for today's video. So let's get it. Alright, so the plan for today is to get this in primer, this in primer. So before I do that, I just gotta clean out. So I just want to prime from here across, basically from this line that way on both sides. So just clean all this.
Damn, you done shit.
I want to get the roof and the tailgate on primer, but the only issue is we're getting these two on primer. It's like I might as well clean up all the rest, because to get some primer I got to prime over all this, then I have to redo it again, and it probably messed up the primer that I'm already doing. So we're gonna clean, remove all this, get this bare metal, clean this up, get all these edges in here. Bare metal, clean that up. Same thing for that window. Gonna clean all this. If we get to this is gonna be last, but we're gonna clean all this. Get this bare metal. Up on both sides, because they was priming over like the glue and stuff like that, the window. So as far as all this back here, I don't feel like following all other stuff like that. So we finna take this deck lid off and then just work out, spend our time working from here all the way around, and on that top piece right there. So I just crawl in here and be comfortable while I do everything. And then we'll just put this back on before we do primer. Before we take this off, we just put a little
Damn, you done shit.
Now that we got the deck lid off, we will go around, clean everything up, treat it. After about 2 hours of going around everything, getting everything down and letting see what spots I need to fix. So now we got everything down the bare metal. Take this rust treatment, put this over all the rusted spots, top side, back side, and then from there, continue to fix the repair. Alright, we got all the rust treated. Everything turned black. All the rust treated. I cut out these as templates for the fiberglass too. I got the back side of all the major rust holes filled. I had to get them treated. There was 3 on this side and 3 on that side was the major ones. Everything else like little pits. We did that here and down without the fiberglass now. Alright, it's the next day. I just patched this, patched that, and right here on the door. So I ain't touching those till probably tomorrow. But as far as yesterday's work, got this one sanded down. I got this one sanded down. Everything else is done on the back side. So all the rust holes is sealed, it's repaired on the back side. So they're not gonna leak under there. So I'm gonna also seal it again on the back side once I get done on the top side. So now I'm gonna go around fiberglass filler for all the rust holes and all the stuff I gotta fix. But I'm gonna tape it off to make the repair easier, so I'm sanding all up in these tight areas. Alright, everything dry now. Now I'm gonna go around this whole back area, sanding everything down, getting it ready for primer, not primer, but body filler. Alright, now that we got the back mainly finished up, so now we're gonna block the whole car, the whole side of this car, whole side of that. These are the tools I'm using. I got a linear block. This the 24, 12, Durablock 12, Durablock round. This is for these little curves right here. Sheets, paper for the sheets for the Durablocks, and the roll for the linear blocks. So Now that the roof is ready, the jams on the trunk is ready, and all these little areas right here ready, I'm gonna sand down this hood, get this prep, and then mask off, clean up the shop and everything like that. For the most part, we got the whole car ready for primer, well, prep, hood masked off, the roof, everything right here masked off. This whole back area masked off. On that, I didn't mask off the bumper, cause I gotta paint that anyway, so I ain't really tripping about that. Long as this area, roof, and this hood could get primed. Also, I'm gonna paint this outside. So I'm gonna start wiping everything down, put it outside, and then etch primer before I put a regular primer on there. This the next day. This hood need a lot of work. That's a brand new hood, but new hoods do not come straight at all. Dents, things everywhere. So this whole hood got to get skim coated. Basically redid from scratch. The roof look good. I'm gonna block the roof first. This is probably the easiest thing that I spend most time on. Get that knocked out. All this look good. We spent basically the whole week just doing this jam area. That looked good. So yeah, first round of primer. We got 2 more rounds of primer after this, and then going into the paint. So that's the first round. Do the roof. That's probably gonna take my whole day. If we get past the roof, we're gonna do the hood. So the main two objectives right now is the roof and the hood. Then we got the deck lid outside. This right here happened when I took the deck lid off. It like smacked the thing on both sides. Right there. And right there. But this deck lid is terrible. Terrible. I gotta do so much work to get this straight. So I'm not gonna test this today. We're just gonna focus on the roof and the hood. All right, that's all for part 3. In part 3, we got done all the rust repairs. Well, most of the rust repairs. Got the car primer and getting ready to start blocking, and then reblocking 2-3 times to get everything straight, nice and straight. But if you like these videos, like type videos, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what car I should do next, type of build I should do next, because this just beginning everything. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, if you don't follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok already, link in the description. Follow me on those pages. Vision to Realities on all platforms. So stay tuned for part 4.